This family vacation looks insanely expensive, but it's actually cheaper than most Disney trips. Most family all-inclusive resort lists hide the real costs. In this video, I'll show you 5 luxury all-inclusive resorts that families can truly afford in 2026, with food, activities, and kid-friendly perks included. This is Sky Trevio, where we break down luxury travel that looks expensive but isn't. Starting with number 5, the most budget-friendly resort on this list that still feels 5-star. Number 5 is Moon Palace Cancun. Moon Palace Cancun is one of those resorts families return to again and again, mainly because kids have so much to do here that boredom never becomes a problem. The resort sits just south of Cancun, only a short transfer from Cancun International Airport, which makes arrival much easier, especially when traveling with children after a long flight. For families, this is what truly sets Moon Palace apart. Large resort-style pools along with a dedicated water park area, supervised kids clubs and teen lounges filled with games, activities, and daily programs, a wide range of included dining from large buffets to a la carte restaurants and even room service. While parts of the beach can sometimes be affected by seaweed, many families mention that they spend most of their days enjoying the pools, kids areas, and organized activities rather than the beach itself. What many travelers don't realize is that Moon Palace frequently offers promotions where kids stay free or at a heavily reduced rate when sharing a room with adults, which can significantly lower the overall cost of the trip. For a family of 4 staying 5 nights in 2026, on-the-ground resort prices often fall roughly within this range, about $350 to $550 per night for a comfortable family-friendly room, or approximately $1,750 to $2,750 total for 5 nights. Even after adding some extra money for tips and small upgrades, this usually comes out well below what families spend at many comparable, well-known resorts. The most popular time to visit is between December and April for drier weather, while better deals are often available in May, early June, and from late August through October, outside peak holiday periods. Overall, Moon Palace Cancun is a great fit if your priority is keeping kids entertained all day long and you're comfortable choosing pools, activities, and convenience over having a perfectly swimmable beach every single day. Number 4 is Royalton Splash Punta Cana. Is the kind of resort families choose when water slides are the main event, not just a bonus. And for kids who love water parks, this place delivers big value. It's located in Punta Cana on the eastern side of the Dominican Republic. You fly into Punta Cana International Airport and then take a straightforward 20 to 30-minute transfer to reach the resort complex. The biggest draw here is the large on-site water park, packed with multiple slides in different sizes, splash zones, and a relaxed, lazy river-style layout. Once you're checked in, access to the water park is included in the all-inclusive stay, so there's no extra ticket or daily fee to worry about. Beyond the water park, families also get easy access to nearby beach areas through the connected resort complex, dedicated kids and teens clubs, several restaurants and snack spots that make feeding hungry kids simple throughout the day. Many parents say Royalton Splash hits a comfortable middle ground. It feels polished and well-run, but relaxed enough that spills, wet swimsuits, and non-stop kid energy don't feel like a problem. For a 5-night stay for a family of 4 in 2026, Royalton Splash Punta Cana typically falls into this resort-only price range. Roughly $280 to $450 per night, depending on season and room type, or about $1,400 to $2,250 total for 5 nights. In many cases, that's less than what families pay at major U.S. water park resorts, even before factoring in all the included food and drinks. The most popular months for weather are December through April, while May, June, and November often offer noticeably better prices if you're flexible and comfortable keeping an eye on hurricane season. Royalton Splash Punta Cana is a great choice for families who want high-energy waterslide fun during the day, paired with a simple, stress-free place to relax at night. Number 3 is Bahia Principe Grand Turquesa. Bahia Principe Grand Turquesa is a strong pick for families who want the feel of a massive Caribbean resort without paying the premium prices that often come with flashier brand names. Located in Punta Cana, Turquesa is part of the larger Bahia Principe Resort complex. That means families get access to shared facilities across the property, along with a dedicated family-focused area that includes kids' pools and a small water park. The atmosphere here is relaxed and tropical, with palm-lined paths, large pool spaces, daily games and activities, and beach access through the wider resort area. Many of the rooms are designed with families in mind, offering extra beds or connecting room options that make traveling with kids easier. One of the biggest reasons families choose Turquesa is value. Bahia Principe often prices its family-friendly rooms noticeably lower than nearby brand-name resorts, while still including the essentials that matter most to parents: buffet and a la carte dining options, kids clubs and regular entertainment, non-motorized water sports, and included resort activities. For a family of 4 staying 5 nights in 2026, resort-only pricing commonly falls in this range: approximately $220 to $380 per night depending on season and promotions, or about $1,100 to $1,900 total for 5 nights. When you compare that to the cost of booking a basic hotel, plus paying separately for food, activities, and entertainment, it becomes clear why an all-inclusive setup like this can end up being the more budget-friendly choice. Seasonally, December through April brings the best weather along with higher prices, while shoulder periods such as May, early June, and November often deliver better value for families willing to travel outside peak dates. Bahia Principe Grand Turquesa works best for families who want a large, lively Caribbean resort experience at a price that still feels manageable. Number 2 is Hyatt Ziva Cancun. Next, let's talk about higher-end family luxury in Cancun. Hyatt Ziva Cancun is one of the top choices for families who want a luxury experience without sacrificing kid-friendly features. It's set on a stunning point in the hotel zone, surrounded by water, and just 20 to 30 minutes from the airport. Families love it for its calm, swimmable beaches, multiple pools with dedicated kids areas, an active kids club, and upscale rooms that still feel comfortable for families. It truly feels like a luxury resort that welcomes kids, not one that just tolerates them. Pricing is higher. For a family of 4 in 2026, expect around $450 to $750 per night, or roughly $2,250 to $3,750 for 5 nights, depending on season and room type. For better value, look at late April, May, and late August to early November, avoiding major holidays. Hyatt Ziva Cancun is perfect for families who want a special trip feel with the ease of an all-inclusive. Number 1 is Sonesta Maho Beach Resort. Our number 1 spot goes to Sonesta Maho Beach Resort in St. Maarten, a family-friendly all-inclusive resort on one of the world's most unique beaches. You've probably seen videos of planes flying just meters overhead. Those are from Maho Beach, right in front of the resort. Families flying into Princess Juliana Airport can reach the resort in just a few minutes, and you can walk straight to the beach to watch planes land safely above you. Why families love it? Water park, kids club, and teen zone. All-inclusive meals and drinks, no need to budget snacks. Easy access to Maho Beach for plane spotting, plus calmer beaches nearby. A 5-night stay for a family of 4 in 2026 typically ranges from $1,600 to $2,600, depending on room type and season. Not cheap, but very reasonable for this unforgettable Caribbean adventure. The best time to visit is December to April for dry weather, with value options in May, June, and November, avoiding peak hurricane season. Sonesta Maho isn't just a resort, it's an experience your kids will remember for years, almost like a real-life Caribbean theme park. So, if you had to choose one of these family-friendly, all-inclusive resorts for 2026, which would you book? Moon Palace Cancun, Royalton Splash, Bahia Principe Turquesa, Hyatt Ziva Cancun, or Sonesta Maho Beach? Tell me your choice in the comments, and if you want a part 2 with more budget-friendly family resorts under a specific price, like under $2,000 or under $3,000 for 5 nights, let me know your ideal budget. If this video helped you see that family luxury trips don't always have to cost $10,000, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Sky Trevio, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.